Hello everyone, I'm Oath in the United States. I'm cooking curry, red chili, coconut milk, pork balls, and this one, oyster mushroom. Somebody at my husband's work gave him. He planted in his garden and there were too many of them. And he knows my husband has me as an Asian. Asian like to eat mushroom. Then I decided to cook curry. I haven't cooked curry for a long while and really want to eat something a little spicy. I'm not good eating very spicy. I have a can of chili which I bought 2 cans and tried once. I did like the taste. My Spanish chili is better, much better. And then I rinse to let the taste away and keep the beans. I did this earlier and this is my second time to rinse the can I have left and add in the curry too. The beans was tasty. I like to eat beans. And the no ingredient. I just cook as I would like to eat and seasons little and taste. When it's okay, it's done. My husband doesn't eat with me. The whole pot I eat alone by myself. Enjoy! I cook chicken green curry with coconut milk and I ate all the meat and vegetable, just the soup left. Then I cook rice. Smells so good and tastes very good. I have grilled drumstick and then I eat together. Very good combination. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.